Almost 18 months into the defining health crisis of our age, the world remains in a very dangerous situation. As of today, more cases have been reported so far this year than in the whole of 2020.
The World Health Organization has urged wealthy countries and top drug manufacturers to intensify efforts in getting COVID-19 vaccines across to poorer countries in order to quickly stem the growth of the pandemic. The WHO Director General, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, gave this call while addressing its annual Ministerial Assembly. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, in his speech, appealed to countries to donate vaccines doses to the COVAX mechanism to inoculate 10% of populations of all countries by September and 30% by year end.
The ongoing vaccine crisis is a scandalous inequity that's perpetuating the pandemic. More than 75% of all vaccines have been administered in just 10 countries. There is no diplomatic way to say it. A small group of countries that make and buy the majority of the world's vaccines control the fate of the rest of the world. So today, I'm calling on member states to support a massive push to vaccinate at least 10% of the population of every country by September, and a drive to December to achieve our goal of vaccinating at least 30% by the end of the year.
The WHO had earlier raised concerns over access to the COVID-19 jabs. The World Health Director General confessed that COVID-19 pandemic is being perpetuated by a scandalous inequity in vaccine distribution. He also called on vaccine manufacturers to give COVAX the first right of refusal on new volumes of vaccines, or to commit 50% of their volumes to COVAX this year. So far, about 1.67 billion COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered worldwide, equal to 22 doses for every 100 people. In the United States of America, 287 million doses have been given so far. In the last week, an average of 1.78 million doses per day were administered. There is already a stark gap between vaccination programs in different countries, with some yet to report a single dose. Kamil Sadiq, reporting for CBA TV.